Good morning to all. Today we are going to start with chapter number one. Chapter number one, creating HTML form using Composer. In board, theory 8 marks and practical around 7 marks. So in this chapter or in this session, we are going to learn how to create HTML form. In board exam, practical board exam, one screenshot is given like this. It is given in your textbook, page number 5, registration form, first name, middle name, last name, gender, hobby, address, city, and submit button. How to create this form and its MCQ based pattern we are discussing right now, and creating form. So for creating form, we are using one software. It's called Composer. So Composer is a freeware open source software. It is totally free. First, introduction of software. First line, title bar. Second, menu bar. Third one, this toolbar, it's called composition toolbar. Fourth line, it's called formatting toolbar 1. Remember each and every toolbar because most of question creating from this. Next line, it's called formatting toolbar 2. Then this is called workspace or work area. And last line, it's called edit mode toolbar. And after that, status bar. For any toolbar show and hide, we are using view menu, show and hide option. One option on, it's called site manager. If you want to hide this option, go to view menu, show and hide option, and sidebar or site manager. F9 key is used to on off site manager. Okay, this is the introduction of all toolbar. Now, first step, how to define form or which menu is used to define form. So go to insert menu, then form option and define form. This is the first step for creating form. First, define form. In define form, form form property dialog box appeared. First box, it's called form name. Any name we can use. Right now, for example, we are using form 1. The first box, form name. Second box, it's called action URL. Whenever we submit our data, it's sent to the form 1 and extension HTML. Means whenever we click on submit button, our data sent to the form1.html. Here, HTML means hypertext markup language. And method, two method we are using, get and post. Right now, post for bulk or unlimited information. Get means limited information. Okay, first three option, form name, action URL, and method, and click on OK 3 times on OK button, and one dotted area is appeared. It's a sky blue dotted area. It's called workspace or work area. Now, first registration form. Any registration form is given: student registration, employee registration, cricketer registration form. Then we have follow textbook thoroughly. First one, registration form, then first name, middle name, last name. How to design this first name, middle name, and last name. So first, write down name. This is called label. Label, name, first name, middle name, last name. It's all called label. How to define label? See, insert menu, form, and define label option is there. Define label. Now again, one more time I'm using name. Now see what is the difference. If we define label, some green dotted line is appeared. It's called labeling. Okay. Right now we are directly write down label, name. And after that, tab for spacing, go to insert, form field, and select text box. Text box and field name, name, and click on OK. The first name is design. Name text box is design. This text box is used to enter any value. For example, lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z, any numerical value, and special sign also. The first question, what is the use of text box? The text box is used to enter any kind of value. Means we can enter alphabet, numerical means alphanumerical value, and special sign also. The first example is name. Another example for text box. I am using 3 examples for each and every box. Second example, in textbooks it is used middle name, last name. I am using different example. Email. Again same way, insert form field, select text box and field name email without any sign and lowercase. And one more option I'm using, it's called initial value. Initial value means by default value. For example, I write down, please enter your email address. So it is a by default value display in box. Same text box using. Third example, if I am using mobile number, same way, insert, go to form field, and same way, text box, field name, mobile number. Mobile number only numerical value we can enter. Click OK. So these all three example for text box. Okay, only alphabet, combination of alphabet means alphanumerical, and only numerical value we are using text box. Now move to the next option. Next, gender is appeared. Gender, male and female. This is called radio button. Radio button, most of the theory based it is asked, if you want to select only single value at a time, which option is used? Single value. For selection single value, we are using radio button. Radio button, three example I explained right now. First one, gender. How to create gender radio button? For that, first write down the label or heading. It's called label. Gender. Insert menu, form field. This location is used and asked many times in past board MCQ. Which menu, which option? Insert form field. And field type we are using right now radio button. Theory base. Radio button is used to select only single value at a time. Group name should be same. For example, right now gender and field value male. Initially selected. If we check back this option initially selected, by default first radio button is selected whenever form load. Again one more time, we want to create another radio button for female. Go to again insert menu, form option, form field, and select radio button. Group name again should be same, means gender, and second field value female, and click OK. Now anyone can tell me another example of radio button. First, radio button is used to select only single value at a time. Anyone can give me example of another for radio button?
Yes, no.
Yeah, caste means SC, ST, OBC, or open or general category. Okay. Second example. This is the second example, caste. Third example for radio button. For example, stream. Stream means science, commerce, or arts. Okay. So these are the three example of radio button. We can select only single value at a time. Clear? Next one. Move to the next option. After creating gender, theory based only single value select at a time. Hobby. Here the example of hobby, like singing, dancing, and reading. It's called checkbox. We can select multiple value at a time. So theory-based option for checkbox. If you want to select multiple option, we are using checkbox. The first example of checkbox, hobby. How to create checkbox? Same way. Go to insert, form field option, and field type. Select checkbox. Checkbox same like radio button, group name should be same. Right now hobby, and first hobby, reading, initially checked, so it is by default selected, and first hobby, reading. Same way, another hobby, checkbox we have to insert. Go to insert, form field, select checkbox, group name should be same, hobby, and another hobby. And again, one more time, we can initially check. Initially checked means by default selected. And here we can select multiple option at a time. See, reading and music. Both value we can select right now at a time. In radio button, we can select only single value at a time. So these are the difference of between the gender and hobby. Gender, it's single value. Means radio button, we can select single value at a time. And checkbox, we can select multiple value at a time. Okay, move to the next. If you have any doubt, you can ask me right now. 3 example for checkbox. First example, radio button, sorry, hobby. Second example, language is known. Languages or subject, multiple subject we can select. Okay, so subject selection, language is known, country visited are the example of checkbox, multiple selection. Now move to the next option, address. Address, here one label is there, insert address here. This is called text area. Text area means we can insert multi-line editor. See, in text box we can using only single line. If you want to insert data in multi-line, so we are using address box. Now first label address, go to insert menu, form option, and right now option name it's called text area. MCQ. In passport MCQ, how to insert multi-line editor or which tag is used for multi-line editor? To text area tag, text area. Example of text area are number 1, address. Any number of row we can insert, for example 2 row and 3 column. If you want to replace the size, double click and increase or decrease the area of your size. For example, 5 column and 3 row. And if you want to insert initial text, please enter address here and click OK. It will appear in your address box. If you want to remove this initial address, double click and remove initial text and OK. Again, one more time, I'm select this option. Which menu? Insert, form, and text area option. Address, number of row 2, any number or any column we can insert. Okay. Now, text area, multi-line editor. Example of text area are number 1, address, number 2, comment box, number 3, remark or notes. Okay, are the example of text area. It's called multi-line editor. Okay, move to the next option and city. City, it's a pull down menu or drop down list. Okay, for this we are using select tag, select an option tag. How to create this city pull down menu? First, create heading or label. Just write down directly city, country, codes are the example of pull down menu. City. Then go to insert menu, form option, and option after form, now option is changed. It's called selection list. Selection list means select tag is used to create pull down menu. Then one dialog box appears. It's called selection list property and give the name, heading, for example city right now, add option. Then only one button we are using, add option, and then value, for example Surat, add option. Any city, Vapi, add option. Third city, Baroda, and add option. Okay, 3 city I am insert Surat, Vapi, and Baroda, but by default I want to display Baroda. Just tick mark initially selected. Initially selected means by default Baroda, it just proceed, the tick mark is there. It's called initially selected and okay. This is called pull down menu. Pull down menu. For pull down menu, we are using select and option tag. Select tag and option tag. Okay. Now move to the next and last option, submit and reset button. In screenshot, it is given submit and reset. Submit button. Go to insert menu, form and form field. Insert form, form field, text box, checkbox, radio button we covered. Right now, submit button. Submit button is used to create submit button, and it is used for send your data to client PC to server PC. Whenever we click on submit button, our data sent to the server, and both value, field value submit and display value submit. Double click on submit option, field value, field name submit and field value submit. Both are submit. Submit button is used to send data server to the client to the server machine. Same way, reset button. How to insert reset? To insert menu, form option and form field. Last, reset button. First, use of reset. The reset button is used to reset default value. Reset, field name also reset and field value both are reset, and click OK. Okay, now all portion is done. Okay, city, submit, reset. How to save this option? How to save this form? Just click on save button. Paste title dialog box is appear. Give the name, any name, but most of we are using same defined name, form 1. No need to add extension. By default takes the extension as a HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. And click on OK, desktop, and see the extension by default takes as a HTML and save. Now preview. File menu preview option, or this icon is used to show preview. Browse button means preview icon. So within a few minutes, see preview is appeared. Name, then email address, then mobile number. Now I'm selecting male or female option. Okay, only one value we can select at a time. It's called radio button. Then hobby, it's an example of checkbox or multiple selection. Then address, it's a multi-line editor or text area. Then city is the selection list or pull down menu. We can select any city by default. If we click on reset, so by default value is that. Okay, means name is empty, email is default value, then gender male, hobby, multiple selection, and city Baroda. It's called reset. Whenever we click on submit button, our data sent to the server. So, in this session we learn how to create form. Okay, next session we'll learn theory based portion and validation of